In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping rates in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find shipping settings, how to choose the right type of rate for your store, and how to make sure the correct options appear for each customer at checkout. First, open your Squarespace dashboard and head to your shipping settings. You can get there by going to Commerce, then Shipping. If you don't see that, go to Settings, then Selling, and choose Shipping. Once you're on the shipping page, click Add Shipping option. This is where you'll create your first rate and give it a clear name so customers know what they're selecting at checkout. Next, choose the shipping method type that fits your business. If your products are similar in size and weight, flat rate shipping is simple and predictable. You can charge a single amount per order, like a flat fee that covers the entire cart, or you can charge per item, which automatically multiplies based on the number of products. Name the rate, set the amounts, and save. If your products vary in size, weight-based shipping gives you more control. Create ranges like 0 to 1 pound, 1.1 to 5 pounds, and so on, with prices that increase as the order gets heavier. For accurate results, make sure each product in your catalog has an accurate weight entered. For real-time accuracy at checkout, consider carrier-calculated shipping. This pulls live rates from carriers like USPS, UPS, or FedEx based on the customer's address and the items in the cart. To use it, enter product weights and dimensions and confirm your plan supports carrier-calculated rates. You can also offer free shipping. This can apply to all orders or only when a customer meets a minimum purchase amount, such as orders over a specific dollar value. Give the option a clear name and set any minimum threshold. If you serve nearby customers, enable local pickup or local delivery. Add helpful pickup instructions or delivery notes, and define any delivery boundaries so customers know exactly who qualifies. Finally, set your shipping zones. After you choose a rate type, add the countries or regions where that rate applies. This ensures customers only see the options available in their location. Save your zones and confirm everything is enabled. That's it. Your shipping rates are now structured, clear, and ready to go. As your catalog or strategy changes, come back to adjust amounts, ranges, or zones so your checkout stays accurate and customer-friendly.